Capsule CRM Honest Review, watch before using. Capsule CRM is a lightweight and intuitive customer relationship management tool designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It's built for entrepreneurs and teams who want a no-frills approach to managing their contacts, sales pipeline, and customer interactions. Capsule focuses on simplicity, offering streamlined features without overwhelming you with unnecessary complexity. In this honest review, we'll cover its core features, who it's best for, and any potential downsides. First, Capsule CRM excels in contact management. You can easily organize and categorize your contacts, track communication history, and even add custom fields to tailor the system to your specific needs. It integrates seamlessly with tools like Gmail, Outlook, MailChimp, and Zapier, making it a great fit if you already use these apps. Its sales pipeline is another highlight, visually clear, customizable, and simple to navigate. It allows you to monitor deals, set deadlines, and automate tasks, helping you stay on top of your sales process. Capsule also supports task management with reminders and to-do lists that ensure you never miss a follow-up. Capsule's user-friendly design is a big win. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, which is ideal if you're not a tech expert. The mobile app mirrors the desktop experience, giving you full control over your CRM while on the go. Additionally, Capsule offers robust reporting features, providing insights into your team's performance, sales forecasts, and client activity, all accessible through a clear, data-rich dashboard. Now, let's discuss who Capsule CRM is best for. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or startup team looking for a simple, affordable, and efficient CRM, Capsule is worth considering. It's particularly suited for service-based industries, such as consultants, marketers, and small agencies, where maintaining strong client relationships is essential. However, Capsule does have its limitations. It's not designed for larger enterprises or businesses with complex CRM needs. Advanced features like in-depth marketing automation or extensive analytics are missing, which could be a deal-breaker for some. Additionally, the free plan is basic, with limitations on users and storage, so you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan for the full experience. In summary, Capsule CRM is a solid choice for small businesses seeking a straightforward, affordable CRM solution. Its clean interface, core features, and ease of use make it stand out, but it's not for everyone. If simplicity, usability, and integrations with popular tools are your priorities, Capsule CRM delivers excellent value for its price.